Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Òfún Méjì returns to heaven for the second time. As soon as the sacrifice was completed, the crippled woman was healed of her leprosy, and her beauty as a young and lovely woman became evident. After this, Òfún Méjì decided to continue his journey to discover the cause of his mysterious problem. Upon arriving in heaven, he quickly went to the house of the crippled woman, the Ìyánífá priestess, who had previously performed divination for him. But the woman was nowhere to be found. His guardian angel told him that the woman had since gone down to the earth, and advised him to do whatever he could to find her, because she was the only one who could help him prosper on earth. It was then that he realized she was the same woman he had just housed in a hut on earth. He quickly returned to the world. Òfún Méjì was the first of the Olódùs, or apostles of Orunmila, to become a king on earth, because he was the first to arrive there. However, he fell into disgrace due to his dictatorial tendencies. During his second journey to earth, he became the last of the 16 Olódùs in the genealogy of Ifa, arriving after Ejogbi and the others had come. This did not happen, however, until he re-established contact with the woman who was now meant to perform divination for him. After the divination, the woman told him to offer a sacrifice with 2 doves, black cloth, a walking cow, pounded yam, kola nuts, and cowries at a crossroads, and that he would become king once again. We will see later how the sacrifice benefited Òfún Méjì.